Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify referrals with ReferralCandy integration, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your Shopify referrals with ReferralCandy integration, start by logging into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the Apps section from the left sidebar. In the Apps section, locate and click on the ReferralCandy app. Once you are in the ReferralCandy app, go to the Settings tab. In the Settings menu, click on Integrations. Here, you will find the option to connect to your Shopify store. If not already connected, click on the button to connect to your Shopify account. Follow the prompts to authorize the integration. Once connected, return to the ReferralCandy app dashboard. Now, go to the Referrals section within the dashboard. In this section, you can view your current referral settings. To update the referral settings, click on Edit next to the relevant referral program. You will see fields to adjust rewards, terms, and referral details. Make the necessary changes to the referral rewards, such as increasing the discount percentage or adjusting the payout. After editing the rewards, scroll down to review your updated terms and conditions. Once everything looks good, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. To ensure the updates are implemented, go back to your Shopify store. Check your store's checkout process to confirm the new referral terms are visible. Finally, monitor your referral activity in the ReferralCandy dashboard for performance insights. Your Shopify referrals are now successfully updated with the latest settings from ReferralCandy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.